Today I am sharing a very quick and super delicious chicken fry recipe which gets ready in 15 minutes with just a few ingredients. No chopping, no grinding required. Perfect for days when you have unexpected guests. They will think it's straight from a restaurant. So let's start with the recipe. We will marinate the chicken first. Here I have around 750 grams of chicken and I will marinate it with half a teaspoon turmeric and around half a tablespoon of salt. You can skip the marination altogether if you don't have the time. You just need to marinate it for 10 minutes. Till that time, let's crush some ginger and garlic. I have taken around 8 to 10 cloves of garlic and 1-inch piece of ginger and crush it nicely to make a paste. You can also use 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste instead of this, or you can also just chop the ginger and garlic very finely and use it. So let's move on to making the recipe. In a pan, take around 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. I have used coconut oil. You can use any oil that you prefer. When the oil gets hot, add in half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera and half a teaspoon of fennel seeds or saunf. Then add the crushed ginger and garlic. You can also use ginger and garlic paste instead of this. Fry the ginger and garlic in oil for around 30 to 45 seconds till the raw flavor of the ginger and garlic is gone. Next, I will be adding in around 8 to 10 curry leaves to it. Then we will add the marinated chicken pieces and keep the flame on high and cook it. Cooking the chicken on high heat quickly seals the outer layer of the chicken and thus locks in the natural juices of the chicken. This prevents the chicken from getting dry during the cooking process. To this, I will be adding 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder. Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder gives a very vibrant color to the dish but doesn't make it much spicy. If you like spicy food, then you can increase the quantity of chili powder here. Mix the chicken nicely with the chili powder and let the chicken cook for 5 to 7 minutes till it's almost 80% cooked. I will be adding some more curry leaves. If the chicken releases some water, then you can just keep sauteing it and try to dry it while cooking it. It is important that you cook the chicken on high heat for the first 4 to 5 minutes when you first add it to the pan. Cooking the chicken on high heat quickly sears the outside, creating a very tasty crust. This seals in the juices so that the meat stays moist and flavorful while cooking. After 7 minutes of cooking, when the chicken is almost 80% cooked, I will be adding 1 teaspoon of Garam masala powder here, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Mix it all well and let it cook for another 5 minutes. I have never used the lid to cover the pan during the entire cooking process as I want the recipe to be slightly on the drier side without any gravy. And then the super quick and delicious chicken fry is ready to be savored with delight. It literally takes 15 minutes to prepare this recipe and there is no chopping or grinding of onions, tomatoes or anything. Apt for those days when you don't want to cook elaborate meals but want to avoid eating from outside. I cannot describe in words how delicious this tastes. You need to try this recipe to know it. I can guarantee that you will keep making it very often if you just try it once. So do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section about your opinions. If you liked the recipe, then kindly hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more such content. Do leave your opinions and suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.